A light magnitude 2.6 earthquake hit 29 kilometers, 18 miles, away from Kozan, Adana, Turkey, late in the evening of Sunday, May 25, 2025 at 11:42 p.m. local time, GMT+3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 9.2 kilometers, 5.7 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 8 minutes. The earthquake occurred 6 hours after a magnitude 2.7 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 25, 2025, at 5:43 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT+3. In 1.6 kilometers, 1 mile, distance to the south. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.